Hey, it's Andy from RightBlogger, and today I wanted to show you what MyTone is. I'm going to show you what it is and how it works. So first, let's start by adding a MyTone. So you can see here up in the account bar, I can go to Account, and then over here to MyTone. And you can see here I'm on the MyTone page. This is only available for paying subscribers, so if you have a free account, you won't be able to add a MyTone. Now, MyTone is an option in RightBlogger that lets you write in your writing style, so you can give it a text sample or a URL of one of your blog posts. So for example, if you have some text that you want to train it on, you can just paste it in right here by clicking the Use Text Sample button. But if you want to use an existing blog post on your site, like I'm going to do right now, I'm going to do that, and I'm going to paste in the link here. And you can see here it has a little preview of the article, and I'm going to hit Fetch Article. Now basically what this is going to do is it's just going to grab the content really quickly, as you can see here, as Markdown, so it can easily see what the post is about. And then you can scroll down and hit Analyze and Add. So right now it's analyzing the writing sample that I just used, so it can understand your writing style and tone. So it should take a couple more seconds here. And you can see here we have a new writing style. Educational, engaging, respectful storytelling, and you can see it has the sample source and has this little statue picture. Now, once you add a tone, you can use it in most of the RightBlogger tools. So let me go over to Tools here, and I'm going to go over to the paragraph generator. And let me try an example here, like, I love walking to the park in the morning. And I'm going to choose the MyTone. You can see here it's that one that we just created, and I'm going to hit Generate. And now you can see it's closer to the writing style that I submitted as the sample. Of course, you can play around with this, try different tones, try different articles, try different samples. If you don't have a blog already, you can just add a text sample here, type out what you want. It does have a minimum amount that we want to have in that field, so it trains it properly. But yeah, pretty simple and easy to use, and currently we only let you have 3 at the most, so you can easily delete them by hitting the delete button if you want to add more. Thanks for checking out MyTone on RightBlogger, and definitely go check it out. See ya.